Here's some Archetypes of Plato trivia. Subscribe. Which Plato work outlines the theory of forms? Is it A. Meno, B. Timaeus, C. The Republic, or D. Phaedrus? The correct answer is C. The Republic. What represents the highest form of knowledge according to Plato? Is it A. the just, B. the useful, C. the beautiful, or D. the good? The correct answer is D. the good. In which city did Plato establish his school? Is it A. Sparta, B. Corinth, C. Athens, or D. Syracuse? The correct answer is C. Athens. What type of government does Plato discuss in his work? Is it A. philosopher king, B. tyranny, C. monarchy, or D. oligarchy? The correct answer is A. philosopher king. Which concept implies the realm beyond physical existence? Is it A. intelligible realm, B. material world, C. sensory experience, or D. outer space? The correct answer is A. intelligible realm. What term did Plato use for flawed copies of the forms? Is it A. constructs, B. copies, C. particulars, or D. illusions? The correct answer is C. particulars. Which work contains the story of Aristophanes' speech? Is it A. Timaeus, B. Phaedrus, C. Republic, or D. Symposium? The correct answer is D. Symposium. What type of reality does Plato differentiate from the physical? Is it A. temporal reality, B. physical existence, C. abstract reality, or D. subjective reality? The correct answer is C. abstract reality. What kind of model does Plato propose for ideal governance? Is it A. democracy, B. oligarchy, C. meritocracy, or D. autocracy? The correct answer is C. meritocracy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.